welcome back to today's video. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Fabiola and I create all kinds of pink and girly videos. If that's something you love and are into, make sure to click the subscribe button down below. Click the bell notification and follow me on my social media. All the links and handles will be listed down below. But before I get started with today's video, I wanted to wish you all a very happy new year. I hope this year brings us all lots of love, peace, happiness, and most important of all, lots of health. And what better way to start the new year than with some new outfits? So today I am going to be trying out some outfits from POPILUSH. I have 4 gorgeous pieces to show you. I'm going to try them out and give you my honest thought and opinion about them. I am beyond thrilled because this is a brand that I've been following for a very long time, and I can't believe that I am doing a try on haul for them. So I'm so excited. I do have a coupon code for an incredible discount, which I will leave in the description bar below, so make sure to enter my code when you check out. But you are going to love the outfits that I picked out. And it's honestly perfect timing right before Valentine's Day when you want to get all dolled up and look so pretty. So let's go ahead and get started. For this first outfit, I am wearing this beautiful sculpting lace bodysuit with a v-neck. It does have added shapewear. It comes in 4 different colors and I am wearing a size medium. I love the way that the lace looks. It's just so elegant and so flattering. What's great about this bodysuit is that it has built-in shapewear which will slim down the waist and sculpt, not only to give you that perfect look, but it also look incredible with any outfit. Here I'm wearing this gorgeous slimming midi dress with shapewear. It also comes with a sheer mesh overlay, so it's like a set. It comes in 4 different colors and I am wearing the size medium. This dress has got to be one of my most favorite black dresses that I own. It's so versatile. You can either wear it on its own or you can pair it up with the sheer outer mesh to give it a totally different look. And it's just so beautiful. It's very elegant, very feminine, and it's so comfortable. It has a breathable 360-degree stretch mesh, which is super comfortable, and it can be an everyday dress. This beautiful red dress is the perfect outfit for Valentine's. It has an elegant v-neck design with lace. It comes in 2 different colors and I am wearing the size medium. This beautiful dress does not need a bra because it gives you the built-in support with its built-in underwire bra. It also has built-in shapewear that sculpts the waist and tones the legs. Pair this up with some high heels for the perfect look. Up next is this beautiful lace bodysuit with built-in shapewear. It comes in 3 different colors. I am wearing a size medium. You can elevate your outfit with this POPILUSH bodysuit with the lace accent. It gives you an elegant touch while the waist slimming tummy control shapes the waist. The supportive design on this bodysuit has an underwire so that no bra is needed. It also has snap closures on the bottom for easy access. I paired it up with this beautiful lace wrap skirt that offers built-in shapewear, and it comes in 4 different colors. This skirt gives you a sleek, elegant look. It's super versatile, and you can pair it up with any of the POPILUSH bodysuits. That was it for today's video, my loves. I really hope you enjoyed it. As always, I will leave the links and details to every product mentioned down below. And I also have a coupon code which I will list down below as well, so you can use that and save an additional incredible savings on these beautiful pieces. I loved every single one of them. I must say my favorite outfit was the red dress. It's just so beautiful and it's a color that I don't normally wear. So when I put that on, I was like, whoa, this color is gorgeous. I just have to find the right bra to go with it. But other than that, every outfit is beautiful. I love them all, but the red dress was just my favorite. As always, I hope you all have an incredible rest of your day. Happy 2025, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.